Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your comedy teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we will see our next practical of Standard 9. The objective of the today's practical is today we are going to see linking of web pages. Already we have seen linking of web pages in the last practical, but today we will see how to link the web pages with photos and the online web pages also we will see. So last time we have seen how to link two typed web pages, but today we will see how to link these web pages with the photos. Of course, we have seen how to insert photos also web pages, but today we will see how to open photos from one web page. And for that the software requirements are as usual. For Windows we are going to use Notepad file and web browser like Edge web browser, and for Android mobile you can use Notepad++ app. Last once again revise what is linking of web pages. If you remember, when we open one web page from another web page, it is called linking web pages. Not only web pages, we can open other photos or live web pages also from one typed web pages. That is also called as linking only. And for that we are going to use the anchor tag. For that the syntax is as this. We have seen it here in place of web page. We are using the name of the typed web page. Today we will see what the other things we can use in href. Suppose when you want to open photos, that photos name we have to put it here. And if you want to open online web pages like www.google.com, that also you can put here. Last time we have seen only the typed web pages, but today we will see what are the other things we can put in the href tag to open the web pages and to link them. So let's open our notepad file first. So today we will require only one file to type, because with the we are not going to link one web file to the other web file. We are going to link the web file to the uh, other web page. Of course, we can link with the web page also. That sample web page also will get time. Let's type our main page, but first. This is our main page. Title only I will write here main page. In this body is not slash here, and we are going to use here in this top margin equal to 50. Use left margin also. Let's use 50 only. Use the sender tag and font tag. Size equal to 5. Also in the body tag we'll use the bg color tag. Let's use it as pink color. And this we have to use different one by one. We'll see first a href, in which first of all we are going to open one photo. So for your photos we will require the exact this one's the location. So for that we are just I opened here. This is the photos, any photos, but we for exact location, like the example open is rose photo. Here I will just see in the properties that address of this here. So it is in E drive photos flowers. So this exact location I will need here. So I will copy this location from here. And name of the is that also need here rose dot it is jpg file. So rose.jpg will come here. So I repeat this address location is required here. So I will close this. Now you can see here I taken from here, see the location. So it is in that folder, and here slash the file name was rose.jpg. Let's see, try with the jpg, and then we have to close here, click here to open a picture. So this way we have typed here. Now we will give one more for that. Before that we will require a BR tag here. Now again we will copy this HR, or directly we can type also here href. Now in this let's see, we can open the live web page like that, http://www.google.co.in. This will be, of course, depends upon the internet connectivity. It is always not sure that we will get this web page. So here click here to open Google home page. Okay, let's do this up to there, and then we'll close the font tag and close the center tag and close the body tag and close the HTML tag. So here we doesn't require the to here, we will give this as main page .html only name. It is on a desktop. We'll minimize this file. I will minimize this also. Let's open this and see what we are getting in this web page, any mistakes we have done or not. It is opening, it is taking time. So we are getting here two links. One link we are opening, click here to open a picture, and click here to open Google web page. So here I am clicking here. Let's see whether we are getting that. Yes, I am getting the photo here. Rose, this is the photo. Here from this you cannot go back. We have to close this, and now again we are open again here. So now just see whether Google web page I am getting. Yes, I am getting there because I have internet connectivity. So I am getting here this Google web page. So you can see both the things are working. Once again I will show you. See, when I click this first, click here to open picture, I am getting this picture, photo of this, and close this. And if I opening here where directly live web pages also, I am getting here this Google website. This is the home page of the Google where you search it. You can open any other things also. In this same thing you can put for another web page also. So let's open make one more web page now here. From that I will copy this one first, and now I will open new, and I will copy paste here this color. I will give here yellow. So this is new second web page, and this is the second page or link. I just written a text like this is the welcome page. Then I will close this font tag, close this center tag, and here I can give it, go back to the main web page also. Slash body and slash HTML. Now here I can give the href of a tag, href equal to this is the here our main page. Just want to go back main page, we can do it from here. For main page, So from here you can go back to use here BR tag. Okay, now let's save this with the welcome page. Welcome.html I'll put here. Now for this, what I will do, I will close this and I will put this reference here, hyper reference here. Same thing I will copy. Here to use the BR tag. Ref welcome.html. Click for welcome page. Okay, so that is there. I will close it. Now I will open this. Sorry, here you have to open the main page. So I am getting 3 links now. First is for picture. You can open, we have seen that picture. Then if you open Google web page, here you can see Google web page, and the last one is the welcome page. So this, and from this web page I can go back to main page. Here is a little bit main page spelling are written wrong here. Main page. So you can go to welcome page and from there go to main page. Yes. So here from this main page I can open a picture. I can go back Google home page back, and from welcome page, and from here I can go to main page also. So both are all are linked together. This way we can see different varieties of linking. So from linking we can link to a photo, we can link to a live web page. All this we are seeing today's practical. Now let's see our assignment question. So the assignment, make a web page shown in today's practical and link it to one photo in your computer with your photo available. Remember the name of the photo should be there, what is in your computer. I written here rose.html, and the location also depends upon your computer. So this practical is in practice, it is very interesting. So up to next practical, thank you very much.